Hey everyone, colorful technology has unveiled a powerful new compact computing device, the Smart 900 AI Mini PC, crafted to meet the needs of professionals, creators, and artists who require high-performance AI capabilities in a portable form. Built around a sleek, minimalist design, this 4-liter mini PC combines a sophisticated aluminum chassis with serious hardware tailored for content creation, AI development, and mobile productivity. At the heart of the Smart 900 is AMD's cutting-edge Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor, based on the latest Zen 5 architecture. This chip boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, with a maximum clock speed of 5.1 GHz and an 80 MB cache, ensuring it can handle multi-threaded workloads with ease. Integrated within the system is the Radeon 8060S GPU, built on RDNA 3.5 technology. This onboard graphics solution is capable of delivering performance similar to discrete GPUs, making it suitable for visual tasks like 3D rendering and video editing. One of the standout features of the Smart 900 is its dedicated NPU, neural processing unit, capable of delivering up to 50 TOPS of AI compute performance. This ensures the mini PC is well prepared for demanding AI inference tasks, machine learning model execution, and real-time content generation, functions increasingly critical in creative and engineering workflows. Memory and storage support are equally forward-thinking. The device includes dual M.2 PCIe Gen 4 slots for high-speed SSD storage and supports LPDDR5 RAM at a blistering 8,000 MHz. Together, these components promise low-latency, high-throughput performance in demanding multitasking and data-heavy applications. Connectivity options are comprehensive and modern, reflecting the device's versatility for workstations and studio environments. Users will find a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for stable wired networking, HDMI 2.1 for high-resolution display output, multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB 4.0 Type-C interface, and an SD 4.0 card reader, making it well-suited for photographers and video professionals. On the wireless front, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures high-speed, low-latency communication with peripherals and networks. The Smart 900's exterior is just as carefully considered as its internals. Built with a CNC machined aluminum shell and an anodized finish, the device presents a clean and professional look that fits comfortably into modern creative spaces. Despite its powerful internals, the chassis remains ultra-compact, underlining its value for those with mobile or space-conscious setups. Although pricing and regional availability details have not yet been released, Colorful has indicated that more announcements will follow soon. Given its forward-looking specifications and design philosophy, the Smart 900 AI Mini PC is shaping up to be an exciting contender in the space of AI-enabled creative computing. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.